Good morning. Back in the hotel room. Oh my god, I need to wipe off all that powder from my face. I was doing my makeup in the dark. I woke up in a bad mood. You know, sometimes you just wake up like that. My face wasn't cooperating, still isn't. No idea what we were gonna do. The plan was to go to a bird thing. And I don't really care because the birds, and it's just max 2 hours in a building of birds. Fine, I'll go. But I told my mom yesterday I didn't really care. All my cousins don't care either. They were literally just gonna take the kids. It's gonna be 2 hours. So my mom this morning was like, okay, let's go to Robins Island because we couldn't go yesterday because the guy said the weather would be bad. Excuse my eyebrow stuff. And I was like, well, what is it? I have no idea what it is. She was like, to drive there, to take a 30-45 minute ferry to go see the prison where Nelson Mandela was. And I was like, I don't care about a prison. And then she got mad at me because she's like, what do you want to do? Do you want to go out shopping? Do you want to stay here? Do you want to go? I don't know what you want to do. And then she yelled at me and left me in the hotel room. She hasn't left yet. I'm like, I don't care about a prison. Birds or whatever. It's literally our last day here. I don't know what to do. One of my cousins wants to stay in because of last night. The other one, she doesn't know what he's doing. The other one's no idea what they're doing. I don't know what's happening. I think I might just go downstairs and yell back and figure out what we're gonna do, what I'm gonna do. And if anything, I will literally trade out money, take a taxi somewhere. I don't care. I'm so bored. All we've done the past 2 days is shopping. The first day we went around and looked at everything, and that was fun. Next 2 days was just shopping, and you can get bored of shopping. I'm just gonna sit because I don't feel like standing anymore. That's why I was moving around. I didn't even go down for breakfast because it was just like, I don't even eat. I literally just go down there and sit and talk. I don't even talk, I just sit there. My family is a little much sometimes. But I'd just rather go to the birds than see a prison. I don't know. I think that's just me. I feel like, because my dad was like, oh, you guys should go. Because, like, why come all this way just to go shopping? You can go shopping anywhere. Go see something it's famous for. And I'm like, I don't know. Like, I just know of Cape Town. I don't know what's, like, good there or whatever. It's like, go see the Robins Island. And I was just like, I don't care. I really don't care about a prison someone was in. I've never heard of Robins Island, and it's a prison. Like, Alcatraz sounds very interesting. Would probably never go. It's just an empty building. Why am I going to an empty building? Just because someone was there? No. I don't get that. Like, why are you so interested to go somewhere that's empty? I'd rather go see birds that squawk endlessly. Yeah. It's our last day. Now I'm extremely annoyed. And yeah. Back to Giovanni's. We're back to Giovanni's. I got another chocolate croissant. We needed 7. They had 5. So we bought some other desserts. Went inside, bought some more croissants that had chocolate on top. We're waiting for my mom and everybody else to come meet us here. We're just sat on like the edge of the store because you can't sit inside. There's like no inside to sit. Yeah, I love this lighting. The glow is popping. I can't even see anything because I'm not wearing glasses, and I left both my glasses at the hotel. Little birds. Monkeys and look at birds. just want to show you this little guy right here. Oh my god. We entered this thing called the Magical Forest because we thought there'd be animals, and it said control your kids. It's literally just plants. We wanted to go to the penguins and monkeys, but we stopped through this. No. Squirrels, wild squirrels. Oh my god. Oh. It's so dirty. Oh, they're turtles, I think. I can't tell if it's a turtle or a statue.
It's a turtle.
No, I think it's a statue. But I don't know. It's really dirty. I don't think they would put the turtle in this. I don't know. We're almost done, I think. We found some penguins. We saw a bunch of lemurs and monkeys. The chins. The squirrel monkeys. Those are, I think, black swans. Yeah, Australian black swans. Yeah, there's the Coscoroba swan and Australian black swan, African penguins, Cape Gannet. It's that white one right there, looking at itself. Gannet. No, this is the gannet. Look, it has the black.
We're talking about the swan. But the fish in the swan. لا دي مش swan.
That's black swan.
سيبي رقبتك يا بنتي، انت خلينا نشوف رقبتك ايه. البنت اللي نايمة دي، شايفة رافعة رجليها ازاي وتانية رقبتها ازاي نايمة. We're talking about this one.
Oh.
That mama, that's a swan. Look at his face.
في ناس بقى عيلة كده وجابت ولادها بعض فرشني.
بابا شكرا.
لا لا عادي عادي، كل ده مش هيجي عادي. بس المنظر حتى لو مش حاجة. ما تخافيش الله. شايف ادي واحد على دماغك عمل حاجة ولا محتاج. وجالك التاني على رجليك اهو. ايه رأيك؟ مفيش حاجة خالص. يلا يا
كلهم ايه شكله قرع ده.
They're baboons this way?
خس وقرع وجزر.
I don't see one. Yeah, he wears white shoes to go look at animals. Me. Oh my god. So we went to the monkey jungle. We thought it was feeding the monkeys. Turns out you get monkeys on you. So we went in and he puts like a piece of food on you and the monkey jumps on you. We went in. It was penguin feeding at 3:30, but we're leaving at 3 because we want to go. Oh, the little tortoises. The baby tortoises up there. There's a porcupine here. They're sleeping. There's some smaller tortoises over here. What? Where? Oh, that's gross. He moves. An ostrich and I don't even know what mix.
What? Go.
Mama.
Oh, real. It's like an ostrich. I don't know what mix. Who's an alpaca? I see goats.
Ostrich.
No, this is the Rhea.
Ostrich.
حاجة زي الأوستريتش.
هي البيضة دي؟
ماشي معانا.
ايوه هي دي الالباكا دي. ايه ده ازاي ماشية معانا كده؟ تقريبا ماشية معانا عشان انت بتاكل يا جيجي.
We're at the Waterfront Mall. We've come here a couple of times. This is where we were at dinner last night. I'll show you in a sec the view. We left the zoo a while ago. We were driving around. It's so lively during the day. It was like dead at night yesterday. I'll show you. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so cold and I'm so tired. I was like half asleep in the car and had my headphones in really, really loud. So now my ears are like ringing. But I don't know if we're waiting for the rest of my family to come from the hotel to here or if we're just chilling. I got an Isolano pizza. It's spicy. It's supposed to be good. We got cello. It's basically what we ate yesterday. Oh my god, this lighting's horrible. Wait. Oh no. Okay, we're just gonna sit here and talk. Recap of the day. This morning, wanted to go to World of Birds or Robins Island. Robins Island turned out to be booked until, oh my god, my hair, until the end of the month. So we went, where did we go? Is the first thing we went to the birds? No, oh, so we left them and we went to Giovanni's and they took forever to meet us at Giovanni's, and then we went to go see like Jules, but that place was closed, and then we went to World of Birds where we went around, the monkey sat on me, whatever. I'm going to wash my hair from that. Then we went straight to the waterfront to take some pictures, look around, eat dinner. And now we're back. It's literally 8:20 and we've been eating dinner around this time every other night. Everybody's so tired. I'm literally showering, getting in my pajamas, and then going to my cousin's room. So I'm gonna end the Cape Town vlog here. And I don't think I'm vlogging the next 2 days because we're just flying back. And then it's like a day or so in Namibia and then we're flying back home. So, goodbye. Good night. You'll see footage if there's footage. Bye. Good morning. Inside my little stairwell, barefaced. I have to undo my hair. My hair is literally a mess. It's still in its braid from last night. Good morning. Good morning. I put on clothes today. Even because we are gonna fly home today. I was just gonna wear my sweatpants again. But I decided to wear clothes.
Yep.
No, not yet. I'm gonna go down in a second. Yeah, I wasn't gonna film, but I was like, if we do something, I'll film it. So I'm just gonna film a little good morning where I look dead. And I will look like this the rest of the day minus the hairdo. I'm gonna fix that with over there with the rest of them. I look like I need more sleep. Last night, I don't even know when I ended the video, but I went over to I showered, and then I went over to my cousin's room, and we finished Happy Feet with his son, and then we watched all of Dark Knight, and then we started Aladdin, and then we fell asleep, and then I went to my bed at like almost 1. It is 9:45 in the morning. No, it's 10 already. Jeez, I woke up at 9:40. I don't know why I said it was 9:45. That's normally the time I come down. I slept in today because, but yeah, if we go anywhere, I'll show you, but I don't think we have any plans today other than to pack and go to the airport. Bye. We're walking along the beach on here. There's not really sand or anything to walk on, but we found an ice cream guy. I bought a Magnum. We each bought some ice cream. We're just walking until we have to leave. Half of us leave at 2, and I think the rest of us are just gonna go in the middle of town until it's time to go to the airport. I don't know what we're doing. I'm just gonna enjoy my ice cream and my ocean walk. The airport, I got an iced latte, I got some chicken and fries and mozzarella sticks because we are starving. Good morning. It is the day after. We got back yesterday at like 9 or 10 p.m. and I didn't end the video because I went straight to bed. We're going to the mall today instead of just sitting around all day. I realized yesterday the outfit I wore, well, the top I wore in Swap Up. Don't worry, I washed it. It's clean. I'm wearing this, some jeans, and my, oh god, new shoes. I cannot film like this. Can I do this? Hop. I'm wearing new shoes. I just saw the bottom of them. My jeans are so tight, I can't do anything. The cat is back from, I forgot the name of the place we put her. And yeah, we're going to the mall. I've been to enough malls. Before we left, called me Dumbo and my sister Tissue because he like can't remember our names. He can't remember anyone's names other than his parents. So we changed our contact names to Dumbo and Tissue, and we want to post a picture on my Instagram with the caption, "It's Dumbo and Tissue." I'm waiting for her to come out so we can take pictures. We just got back from the mall. I don't feel like holding my phone anymore. That's why you were on the counter. We didn't buy anything, we just walked around and looked around for like an hour. My mom bought a dress. That's it. I don't know why I keep making weird faces.